It's so hot with the lights. I don't know how long this warm-up is going to be, so I won't say the amount of minutes about that. Hi everyone, I'm Laura. I'm going to take you through a brief warm-up just to get your wrists, hands, forearms, shoulders ready for you to then do tutorials or whatever else you want to do on this platform. We're going to start with our feet beneath us. Take the pinkies in and then work your way through the thumbs and take a little bend of the knees, will face front. Feel like I'm gathering energy in towards me and then rooting it down. We're going to reverse that, so go thumb to pinky. Coordinating your breath, enjoying watching your hands articulate. One more. Great, stay in that bent knee place, interlace the fingers, and then take a wave. Then we'll reverse that so my elbow pokes up, stretch through the fingers, through the arms. Really stretching the wrists and the fingers, and let the spine get into this too, allowing the focus to shift, allowing the spine to curve as you drop the head forward. And then rolling up. We're going to take waves, 3 down, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to reverse that on the way up from shoulder and then through the hands. I'm trying to create a lot of resistance in my arms as I do this. There's a version in which I can kind of do this, and it's not very hard. I'm trying to imagine I'm moving through something thick. I'm also waking up the legs. And one more. 2, 3. Widen your stance. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2. If your forearms are not burning yet, you might need to increase your range of motion of your waves and find even more resistance. I do this every day, and this is still just as hard as the first day I did it. And up. We're going to stay down on the next one. 2. Stay down. Arms are going to move through like we did, but to the side. And I'm really almost like I'm grabbing a sheet, a skirt, and then releasing it. 2, 3, out of 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, ouch, 9, 10, beautiful, onto the right leg, into your lunge. I'm going to heel toe myself to center because that will annoy me later when I watch this back. Circle the arms a few times. It's almost like a break. That's what it feels like to me for my forearms. We're going to bring the wrists out to the side, flex and extend. If you want, you can drop that back knee a few times. You could also straighten the front knee a few times. Then we're just going to go in, 2, 3, 4 for 10, 5, 6, oh my God, 9, 10. Through center, other side. Rolling through the arms, rooting down through the feet, bringing breath into the movement and taking note of this circularity that's happening in the focus and in the arms, and also how that can kind of mimic in my legs. Even if I'm stagnant in the legs, that it feels energetically like there's some circulation there. Out to the side, flex and extend, really finding the full range of motion there. And I'm also firing up my back leg, glute, hamstring. And then just in. We're going to do 20 this time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Smile. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands to the floor. Almost there. Drop the knees down. Take a cat-cow. And then I'll let that evolve into your own spine dance here. I'm gonna let my elbows, my shoulders, my wrists soften. I'm gonna feel that there's movement going across my back. I'm gonna let my sits bones move towards my heels sometimes. Nice and juicy everywhere. And then let that settle. You're going to tuck the toes, lift up to a tabletop, let the knees hover. And really think of this again as a hand and forearm awakening, as well as a shoulder awakening. So I could just kind of sink into my joints, but instead I'm going to really press the finger pads into the floor, engage up through the forearms, press the shoulders down away from the ears, externally rotate my upper arms a bit. Lift the sits bones, down dog, and walk the hands back to the feet. Soften the knees. And rolling up slowly. Just shake out the wrists a bit. Great. How do I want to do an outro? What do I want to say? Can I just say thanks since it was such a short video? Okay. I'll go for my roll up. All right, that's it. That's your short warm up. Thank you. Bye.